Hello friends, so this is one of the gate questions. In this we have to find the input resistance seen through the non-inverting terminal, that is we have to find Vx by Ix. Now to find Vx by Ix, let's see how to solve this question. So this is answer. See, here current is 0, here also current is 0. Let mark this point as VA, and this op amp is idle, so this VA as current is 0, so I can apply a voltage division rule at this terminal, right? So VA will be VO into 10 kilo ohm divided by 10 kilo ohm plus 100 kilo ohm. So this becomes VO by 11. VA becomes VO by 11, and see, this is an idle op amp which is in negative terminal, so this potential and this potential become same by the concept of virtual ground. So this potential also becomes VA, and VA is equal to Vx. So VA is equal to Vx is equal to VO by 11. From here I got VO is equal to 11 Vx, right? And this I has current is 0, so Ix is flowing through this point, so Ix will be equal to VA minus VO divided by 1 mega ohm, which is equal to VA is what? VA is VO by 11, and VA is same as Vx, so this is also equal to 11 VA, and VO I can write it as 11 Vx, and VA I can write it as Vx, so Vx minus 11 Vx by 1 mega ohm, which gives minus 10 Vx by 1 mega ohm, and this is equal to Ix, right? And I am writing this side. From here I will take Ix here, and I will take 1 mega ohm there, so Vx by Ix becomes minus 1 mega ohm divided by 10, which is equal to minus 100 kilo ohm. This is the correct answer. This is one of the gate question which came for electrical paper.